my shining stars, how are you all? I hope you all are great. In my last video, I discussed how you can improve the quality of SST board exam. What are the tips and the tricks or techniques you should follow in order to improve the quality of SST board exam? I discussed the section D in my previous video. In this video, I'm going to explain all other sections. Will be a detailed presentation of other sections. I hope you like it. So let's begin this video. So in this section, first I'm discussing section C. So section C, what are the tips? Let's see. Let's discuss the section C part. Section C is your second priority. As I have explained this thing in my previous videos also, that's you have to choose section C, okay, in your second priority list. In your section C, there is a 3-mark question and there is 5 questions. Total, it carries 15 marks. So the first tip for section C, that the question which you are choosing should be best. Okay, it means that the way you have chosen right question in section D, similarly you have to choose best question in section C also. Okay, in which you are confident, जिसमें आप confident हैं वही question आप choose करेंगे section C part में भी, जिसमें आप अच्छा लिख पाएँ, जिसमें आप best लिख पाएँ. जैसा मैंने आपको सेक्शन डी में भी कहा था, आपको अच्छा लिखना है, आपको बढ़िया लिखना है, जिसमें आपको ज़्यादा यकीन है कि आप इसमें लिख सकते हैं, वही आपको चूज़ करना है क्वेश्चन. टिप 2 है आपका आंसर शुड बी इन पॉइंट्स. यस, आंसर शुड बी इन पॉइंट्स. द वे we have mentioned the points in section D, similarly in section C also you have to write 3 to 4 points that I have mentioned in tip 4 also. आप कम से कम 3 से 4 पॉइंट बनाएंगे, मैक्सिमम आप कोशिश करिए 4 पॉइंट्स तो बनाएं ही बनाएं. जो पॉइंट्स आप बनाएंगे, टिप 3 में मेंशन है दैट मेक अट्रैक्टिव एंड मीनिंगफुल पॉइंट्स विद नो रिपीटेशन ऑफ पॉइंट्स. जो भी आप पॉइंट्स बनाएंगे, इस चीज़ का ध्यान रखें कि आप जो भी पॉइंट्स बना रहे हैं वो अट्रैक्टिव रहें, वो रिपीट ना हो. ठीक है, कोई ऐसी चीज़ ना लिखें आप जो आंसर के अकॉर्डिंग ना हो. इट शुड बी अकॉर्डिंग टू द क्वेश्चन. It should not be out of the box. So write attractive points, write meaningful points, and write at least 4 points. These are the tips for section C. Another section is section B. So let's see what are the tips and techniques you should follow in section B. In section B, each question carry 2 marks. Total is 8 marks. This section is 8 marks. So the tip number 1 is write answer in 3 points. Yes, in this, in each answer at least make 3 points. In tip number 2, make points with headings. Yes, whatever the points that you will write here in this section, this section, it makes sure that make meaningful points, make points with headings. Okay, don't forget to make headings. Headings should be of meaningful and attractive. In this section B, there is no need to make flow chart. This is the tip number 3. There is no need to make flow chart. There is no need to make conclusion. So make sure that while you are doing section B, write answers according to these tips. Okay, so these are the tips for section B. Further, let's see what are the tips that you need to follow in section A. 20 marks, 1 mark for each question. Okay, so the number of question is 20. There are MCQ based questions, that is multiple choice questions are there in this section. So you have to do it carefully. Let's see what are the tips that you need to follow in section A. The tip number 1 is don't forget to write complete answer. Yes, whatever the option you are choosing in the section A for any question, make sure that whichever option you are choosing, you have to write the complete answer. Okay, A, B, C. make sure that you write the complete answer. If you're choosing B, then make sure that whatever the answer written in the B part, write that too. Okay, let's see what is tip number 2. The tip number 2, in case of no surety of answer, mark option C. Yes, right. इन केस आपको आंसर नहीं आता है, आपको नहीं पता है क्या लिखना है MCQ क्वेश्चन में, तो आपको अगर समझ नहीं आ रहा है तो आप C लिख दीजिए विदाउट आंसर. आप C पार्ट मार्क कर दीजिए, दैट्स इट. आप C ऑप्शन लिख देंगे और कुछ नहीं लिखेंगे. आप 2 का C कर रहे हैं तो आप 2 ऊपर लिखेंगे 2 नंबर 2 C पार्ट, दैट्स इट. अगर आप 5 का C कर आपको नहीं आता है तो 5 C पार्ट लिखेंगे, दैट्स इट. इन केस दिस थिंग यू शुड अप्लाई इन केस यू डोंट नो, इन केस यू आर नॉट श्योर कि आंसर क्या है. अगर आपकी श्योरिटी नहीं है देन यू कैन फॉलो दिस थिंग. Okay, that's all for section A. For section E and F, you have to see the other video because there will be a detailed description of section E and F in the next videos. I hope you all follow these steps. In the previous video, as I mentioned the section D, and then this video I cleared all the section except section E and F. So I hope this tips and techniques will be beneficial to you all, and I hope you believe in yourself and in your strengths and weaknesses, और आप अपने आप को गाइड करेंगे अच्छे रास्ते की तरफ. मैं बिलीव करती हूँ कि आप अपने आप को अच्छा इंसान बनाएंगे और आप इन चीज़ों को फॉलो करेंगे, बिकॉज़ आपके अलावा कोई और आपको एक अच्छी सलाह नहीं दे सकता. सो इस वीडियो को आप अपने फ्रेंड्स के साथ भी शेयर कर सकते हैं ताकि उनकी भी मदद हो सके. टिल देन फॉलो दीज स्टेप्स एंड टेक केयर ऑफ़ योरसेल्फ.